We are going to start differentiation exercise 1.3 question number 5. In previous video we did question number 4. Link of that video is given in the description box. तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इसका लिंक प्रीवियस वीडियो का लिंक दिया है. तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल सो दैट you will get all notifications. So let's begin with question number 5, exercise 1.3, first sub question. That is log of x plus y is equal to log xy plus p, where p is a constant, and we show dy by dx is equals to minus y square upon x square. Here this type of questions are usually asked for 4 marks. Very important exercise, and that question number 5. Let's start with this. How we solve this? We can simplify log of x into y. We can write as log x into plus log y. So that simplify the first and then we differentiate. Solution of this: log x plus y left hand side, right hand side log x plus log y plus p. P is a constant. Now we differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log fx 1 upon fx into f dash of x, that is derivative of x plus y. So that derivative will be derivative of x1 plus derivative of y dy by dx. Right hand side derivative of log x 1 by x, derivative of log y 1 by y into dy by dx plus derivative of p, that is constant 0. So that you can write derivative of constant p is equal to 0. Now first we simplify this, multiply 1 upon x plus y plus 1 upon x plus y into dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon y dy by dx. Here dy by dx term we collect 1 upon x plus y minus 1 upon y, taking dy by dx common. Here this we took in left hand side, and dy by dx we take common from these two terms. Right hand side 1 by x, this 1 upon x plus y will transfer to the right hand side, 1 upon x plus y. Take LCM of the denominator. Here LCM is x plus y into y is the LCM, y minus x plus y into dy by dx. Similarly, right hand side LCM of the denominator x into x plus y, x plus y minus x. Okay, this x plus y we can cancel from the denominator. Here y and minus of y will get cancelled, x and minus of x will get cancelled. Then what is left here? In left hand side we have 1 upon minus x upon y into dy by dx. Right hand side y upon x. Therefore required dy by dx is equal to this minus sign will carry here, and cross multiplication will give us y square upon x square, which is required to show here. First of all, simplify log of x into y, then log x plus log y, and then differentiate with respect to x. Come to the third sub question, log of x to the power 4 y to the power 4 upon this is equal to 2, and show that dy by dx is 12 upon 13 x cube upon y cube. So first of all, little simplification is there, so we must have concept of logarithm. That concept of logarithm is like this. See, log of m to the base a is equal to, suppose, x, then this imply your base is a, log of m base a is equal to x, then this is what logarithmic form, we can write it in exponential form, so that exponential form will be a raised to power x is equal to n. Now compare this with this. Here log of m to the base a is equal to x, so that x is equal to, see this, m is equal to a raised to power x, so that it will be, this implies x to the power 4 y to the power 4 upon x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 is equal to 5 square. This is x to the power 4 y to the power 4 x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 is equal to 25, is equal to what? 25. In this way we simplify. Here 25 means what? We can write it 25 by 1. It is 25 by 1 we can write, and we use here componendo dividendo. So we simplify it by using componendo dividendo. X to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 upon x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus, this is what, a plus b upon a minus b. A minus b will be like this, is equal to c plus d upon c minus d, which will be y to the power 4 is getting cancelled, x to the power 4 is getting cancelled, and this is equal to 26 upon 24, which can be further reduced to 13 upon 12. What is our left hand side? 2x to the power 4, this minus will become plus 2y to the power 4 is equal to 13 upon 12. Again this we can reduce, 2 we cancel, and finally we are getting x to the power 4 y to the power 4 is equal to 13 upon 12, so that x to the power 4 upon y to the power 4 is equal to 13 upon 12. Now this 12 upon 13 will write here, 12 upon 13 x to the power 4 is equal to y to the power 4, which is required, as we required. Then that is y to the power 4 is equal to 12 upon 13 into x to the power 4. Now differentiate with respect to x. Okay, we differentiate it with respect to x. Derivative of y raised to power 4 will be 4 into y cube into dy by dx. Keep in mind y is function of x and we are differentiating with respect to x. Composite function y raised to power 4, 4y cube dy by dx, right hand side 12 by 13 constant, derivative of x to the power 4, it is 4x cube. This 4 is getting cancelled and take this y cube in the denominator, so that dy by dx is equal to x cube, it is 12 upon 13 x cube by y cube. See which is required to show. 12 upon 13 x cube upon y cube is required to show. Question number 4. E raised to power x, e raised to power y, e raised to power x plus y, we prove this. Derivative of e raised to power x, e raised to power x and e raised to power fx is e raised to power fx into f dash of x. So differentiate it with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, derivative of e raised to power x, e raised to power x, derivative of e raised to power y, it is e raised to power y into dy by dx. Derivative of e raised to power x plus y, it is e raised to power x plus y into derivative of e raised to power x plus y. Derivative of x1, derivative of y dy by dx. E raised to power x, e raised to power y, dy by dx, e raised to power x plus y plus e raised to power x plus y into dy by dx. Collect dy by dx term. This dy by dx and this dy by dx we collect. Before to this, we use e raised to power x plus y, that is equal to, this is given that e raised to power x plus y is e raised to power x plus e raised to power y. So let us write e raised to power x plus e raised to power y into 1 plus dy by dx, and then multiplying it, e raised to power x, e raised to power y dy by dx, right hand side e raised to power x plus e raised to power y into 1, that is e raised to power x plus e raised to power y, again e raised to power x dy by dx plus e raised to power y dy by dx. Now what we can cancel? E raised to power y dy by dx appearing both sides. E raised to power x is getting cancelled. Our left hand side becomes 0. So the right hand side, e raised to power y, e raised to power x into dy by dx. So that e raised to power x dy by dx is equal to minus of e raised to power y. So dy by dx is required, which is minus of e raised to power y upon e raised to power x upon e raised to power x. Now as we required y minus x, so law of indices, it is e raised to power y minus x. This is required to show dy by dx. Dy by dx is minus of e raised to power y minus x is required to show. Fifth sub question, sine inverse of this is equal to pi by 6. We show dy by dx x to the power 4 upon 3y to the power 4. So sine inverse of this is pi by 6. So this can be written as x to the power 5 minus y to the power 5 upon x to the power 5 plus y to the power 5 is equal to sine of pi by 6. When we invert the relation, it gives sine inverse of this expression is equal to pi by 6. So now we write sine of pi by 6 is equal to this expression. And you know sine pi by 6, sine 30 degrees 1 by 2. So let's write 1 by 2. So that our expression will be like this: x to the power 5, y to the power 5 upon x raised to power 5 plus y raised to power 5 is equal to 1 by 2. Simplify this by using componendo dividendo. A plus b, that is x to the power 5 minus y to the power 5 plus x to the power 5 plus y to the power 5. This is a plus b upon a minus b is required. X to the power 5 minus y to the power 5 minus x to the power 5 plus y to the power 5. This is a plus b, a minus b. Similarly c plus d, that is 1 plus 2 upon 1 minus 2. Y to the power 5 is getting cancelled. Here x to the power 5 is getting cancelled. So numerator is 2x to the power 5, denominator is minus 2 y to the power 5, and the right hand side is 3 upon minus 1. This minus sign get cancelled, 2 is getting cancelled, and finally you are getting here the expression like this: x to the power 5, y to the power 5, minus sign is getting cancelled, 2 is getting cancelled, that is equal to 3. We express it in terms of y, therefore y to the power 5 will be equal to, this 3 will be in denominator, x to the power 5 upon 3. Differentiate it with respect to x. We differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y to the power 5 is 5y to the power 4 into dy by dx is equal to 1 by 3 constant 5x to the power 4. Cancel this 5, and finally you will be getting dy by dx is equal to this y to the power 4 we take in the denominator. See the right hand side, x to the power 4 upon 3, and this y to the power 4 will be here in the denominator. See, this is required to show dy by dx is x to the power 4, 3y to the power 4 in denominator. Question number 6. See, wherever function raised to power function is there, so in such case we take log and we take logarithmic differentiation. See the expression which you have to show: log of x 1 plus log of x. Log is there, so let's take log of both sides here. It is a hint for us that we must take log of both sides. So taking log of both sides, log x raised to power y is equal to log e raised to power x minus y. Now log of x to the power y is y into log x. Right hand side is x minus y into log e. Log e is 1. So this can be simplified as x minus y only. This is 1. Take this y in the left hand side, y plus y log x is equal to x. What is left after taking y to the left hand side? X is left. Y take common. 1 plus log x is equal to x. So that y we can find as a function of x like this: y is equal to x upon 1 plus log x. You will observe that right hand side is only function of x, which is a implicit function. This is what implicit function. Now as it is implicit function, directly we can find the derivative by u upon v rule. You know derivative of u upon v is equal to v derivative of u minus u derivative of v upon v square. So apply this result here, differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to, denominator is upon v square 1 plus log x whole square, v that is 1 plus log x into derivative of u 1 minus x, v derivative of u minus u derivative of v, derivative of 1 plus log x, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of log x is 1 upon x. What we did, 1 plus v derivative of u minus u derivative of v, derivative of 1 0, derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Left hand side is dy by dx and the right hand side is 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x, this x is getting cancelled, it is minus 1 upon 1 plus log x whole square. Cancel this 1 in the numerator, you will get the required derivative dy by dx is equal to log of x upon 1 plus log x whole square. This is required to show dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x square. This is required to show. Seventh sub question, y is equal to root of cos x plus again there is a root of cos x, again there is a root of cos x infinite times, and we require to show dy by dx is sin x upon 1 minus 2y. So if we square, this outer square root will be removed. If we square both sides, so squaring both sides will get y square is equal to here cos x, but this remaining square roots will be there and infinite terms are there. Cos x plus root of again cos x plus again root of cos x plus infinite times. So students, you will observe that this is nothing but y. So you may replace it by y. It becomes more easier. Cos x plus y we can write. So instead of infinite number of terms, we are getting here limited terms, y square cos x plus y, and differentiate it with respect to x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y square, we will write 2y dy by dx. Derivative of cos is minus sin x, and again derivative of y is dy by dx. We are taking this, collect dy by dx, 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to cos x. Usually we are getting here derivative of the function. Suppose cos x, derivative is minus sin x. So it should be minus sin x and the denominator is 2y minus 1. dy by dx we take common, 2y minus 1. Here we differentiate. So the right hand side is, see we are taking dy by dx to the left hand side. It is minus sin x. The right hand side is minus sin x. Take this term to the denominator, so that dy by dx is equal to minus sin x upon 2y minus 1. 2y minus 1. As we required 1 minus 2y, so that minus sign we multiply here dy by dx is equal to sin x. Instead of writing 2i minus 1, we'll write 1 minus 2i. This is required to show sin x upon 1 minus 2i dy by dx is equal to. Question number 10, e raised to power y raised to power x. When function raised to power function, we use logarithmic differentiation. We are getting here hint also. So take log of both sides. So we are taking log of both sides. Log of e raised to power y is equal to log of y raised to power x. This will be y into log e. Right hand side will be x into log y. But log e is equal to 1. So replace it by 1. Y is equal to x into log of y. So students, see here, this if we take log y in the denominator, we can express x as a function of y alone. That will become an explicit function. So x can be explicitly expressed as a function of y. So here x is equal to y upon log y. That means what we can say, x is a explicit function of y. So we can differentiate by using derivative of explicit function before the implicit function, differentiating with respect to instead of differentiating with respect to x, now we are differentiating with respect to y. Keep in mind. So derivative dx by dy is equal to u upon v rule we use. V square in the denominator, that is log y whole square. V, that is log y into derivative of y with respect to y, minus y into derivative with respect to y of log y. So it will give us derivative of log y with respect to y is 1 and derivative of log y is 1 upon y. So that dx by dy is equal to log y into 1 minus y into 1 upon y, which is derivative of log y with respect to y. It is log y whole square. Y is getting cancelled. 1 it is. Dx by dy is equal to log y minus 1 upon log y square. But we require dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. So we take reciprocal of this. Dy by dx is required, and that is reciprocal of this log y square upon log y minus 1, which is required to show log y square upon log y minus 1 is required to show. Question number 9, y is equal to x raised to power infinite times. How we can simplify it? This rest of again nothing but y, so we can write it as y is equal to x raised to power infinity. See here, this rest of this is nothing but y again, so that we write it y is equal to x raised to power y. Simply we can write y raised to power y is equal to x raised to power y. This is y. Now function raised to power function, so we differentiate by taking logarithm. Log of y is equal to log of x raised to power y, which is y into log x right hand side is product differentiating with respect to x, derivative of log y, it is 1 upon y into dy by dx. Right hand side is product of two functions, y into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of y, which is dy by dx. Now as usual we collect dy by dx term. So 1 upon y into dy by dx minus log of x into dy by dx. Right hand side is y upon x only. Take dy by dx term, dy by dx common from this. We are taking dy by dx common, 1 by y minus log x. Take LCM. LCM is y. dy by dx into, see, dy by dx into LCM of the denominator is y, 1 minus y into log of x. Right hand side is y upon x. Required is dy by dx, so dy by dx is equal to, this will be y square upon x into 1 minus y log x. 1 minus y log x. But this is not required to show. Here what to show? Y square upon x into 1 minus log y. So look at this expression. We have here log y is equal to y log x. Y log x. Denoted by 1 suppose, and from 1 we substitute y log x is equal to log y, so that we get the required answer. Dy by dx is equal to y square upon x in bracket 1 minus y log x is equal to log y, which is required. This is required to show. Dy by dx is y square upon x minus x into 1 minus log y. We have completed exercise 1.3, question number 5, which is the last sub question. Here kindly subscribe this channel, like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.